Hi everyone! Today we'll learn the Scratch 1 basics.
Let's start by grabbing a move block. We can click the block to run it. There are many other blocks to choose from. Check out the different categories. Let's go to the sound category and grab a play sound until done block. I'll snap this onto our move block. When do we want these blocks to run? Add a control block to start the code. Allow the when green flag click block. We can also change the order and delete these blocks easily at any time.
Now we have learned the Scratch 1 basics. Bye bye, thanks for watching. See you next time.